Good morning all. We're in bright and sunny but very cold Burgess Hill this morning. No snow. Working on this Citroen DS3. This is a repeat client of ours. They've called us in before to work on a vehicle, but this particular vehicle they've had for a couple of years. Went into Citroen because it had loss of power. It turned out to be the infamous, or supposedly the infamous, problem with carbon build-up on the intake valves on this engine. Client therefore gave us a call. We have explained that you know, it is very difficult to remove the carbon off the intake valves on this particular model. However, having had great success a couple of years ago with the DS3 owners club boss or manager or proprietor or whoever he was positioned himself as with his vehicle, where he had a carbon clean and he'd actually kept his emissions tests from the previous MOT and then did a test afterwards on the next MOT and proved that we reduced his emissions dramatically. I'll have to find that post and tag it in on this one. We've decided to give this a go, see if we can help this guy out, because he was quoted you know, nearly £1,000 to resolve the matter. So he wants to give this a go, see if it will help for him. So we're using our 3-stage service. That is the hydrogen machine here, which is pumping hydrogen into the engine at the moment and therefore burning up the carbon. It's already been attacked with our 3-stage chemical clean, which helps to remove oily gunk off turbos. It'll also do intake valves, but more importantly, it will dry the carbon out as much as possible, which will allow the hydrogen to interact with it a lot better. This is a unique solution that we have. You won't find any other hydrogen carbon cleaners using such a chemical as that. And our injector cleaner as well, just to make sure that the injectors are firing correctly. Therefore, hopefully there'll be less carbon build up in the future. So this service costs £149.99, including diagnostics. Unfortunately, when we did the diagnostics on this one, because it had already been into Citroen and they cleared the error codes, we couldn't see what misfire codes were going on. We've not been able to see much, to be honest, but we're going based on what we've been told. Fingers crossed, this could potentially save the customer a lot of money. So if you need our services, our telephone number is 01293 769495. You're welcome to call up for any free advice, discuss problems with your vehicle, or whether you just want a preventative carbon clean to stop these sort of issues occurring. It works on both diesel and petrol vehicles. We have different stage services depending on the vehicle, on your requirements. Prices range from as low as £89.99. We also do DPF cleaning, that's diesel particulate filter cleaning, diagnostics and remapping. So guys, have a fantastic day. I'm sure I'll put another video out later. We've got 3 or 4 other clients to go to. Cheers.